Hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. This is as graphics. Now in this tutorial you'll be learning how to create, I guess you will have seen it at the thumbnail anyway. I don't have the design here. Alright, so let's just go straight into the tutorial. Now the first thing I'll be doing is, let me just show you what we'll be creating. So this is the design we'll be doing. Okay, so just from this image just to the front, and you erase this completely, increase the feather, just erase it. So I'll reduce this feather a bit so you can see. Just zoom in. Just make sure you raise the head. Okay, so it's your job to just erase the head. I don't need it, so I can just lock this. I already have my head here. Now I'll be showing you how I got about the effect of the head anyway, but let's just first go straight to this tutorial. Now this was not actually the background I used for this design. I couldn't locate the original background, so just we're stuck with this one. So just click on crop, just this side here, relative size. Now actually you can use your head, the head you can get from this Tune Me app, this application. So I'll actually show you how you can make your head. What I wanted to do was with one of these application, but I just ended up doing so he's come to this guy here, come to this guy here, then white. I just click on it. So maybe alright, but the single one would be okay, would have been okay. So I just alright, so this is the effect I'm having already. Okay, now I can just gladly lock this. So come to my background. Yes, I have it somewhere. This one. So let me just play a bit on it, increase the contrast, reduce the brightness. Alright, so I'll just lock it this way. So the next thing is bring in my frame, move to the front, then just increase the size. Just position it this way. Alright, so it's my frame selected. I'll just come here, reduce the brightness a bit, then increase the contrast. Okay, so this is it. So I have the head. This is my head, don't mind me. Mine is not big now. Okay, now the design is quite simple anyway. So this is my head. So let me bring it to the front. Let me just bring it to the front. So I'll just increase the size. Don't want it to be too big because of my text. I'll just lock it. Alright, so I can now I'll just take it the back of the frame. Okay, now we have this guy here, so I'll move this one to the front now. So this is how, let me just get rid of the color white, and you know, let's just make use of this one I brought in with this tutorial. I wanted to make use of for this tutorial. Alright, so I'll just come here and change the color to black. Alright, so it's not better this way, but I just want a fast work. I already know the color that I want to remove, that is white, so that's how I'll click on enable. So but let me just, because some of those newbie that don't know what they want to do anyway, let's just go back. So this is what we want to do. We just click on it, come to this side, click on erase color, so automatically it takes away. You can see white is selected, and I just increase the tolerance to about 15. Then come to color, change it to black. So now I guess I've not confused anybody now. Alright, so I'll position this one there. Alright, so bring in a date, color, then so my name, is Peter. When we call me Momodu is my surname. My name is Peter. Alright, so font, particular typeface is bold, Montserrat. I mean, I'm fond of using Montserrat anyway. So I just move this one here, write the name, then I'll just come here and copy. So 21st. Okay, now I wanted to show you how I did that, the head like this, but probably I'll show you in another video. Let's just see. Yeah, I'm gonna show you in this video. Let's see how many minutes I've spent. About 9 minutes. I've come here and we'll just increase the size. Yeah, I'll increase the size this much. Make sure it is aligned to the center. Now the reason I'm increasing the size this much is just for balance. So I'm going to click on this name and lock. So copy the name, then click on with the name selected. So I'll just imagine this is a birthday wish. So I'll reduce the size. Now use regular, please use regular. Then let me see if the color is set at black. Now on this note, you need to be careful with your wish, birthday wish. So make sure it's something we can see. Now I can just easily move this one here. Okay, now for this, okay, so this is okay. Alright, so the next thing is I'll be moving this. Oh no, edit. Okay, now this is what you're gonna do. So you can see the design is balanced. So you just do is save as ultra. So if you're just joining me for the first time, this is Azzy Graphics. Please do subscribe to this channel. It's going to help me a lot. I guess you're learning already, so it's going to help me a lot. Help me to be ranked on Google, make people see more of my videos. Also encourage me to give you videos so you increase your creativity, expose some tricks to you. Alright, so I guess by this you're already learning. So what I'm going to do next is I'll go to Picsart. Alright, so we'll just go to Snapseed. Anyway, sorry for this. Sorry about this. So this is what we have. So I'll just pop it out. So it's loading. If in case you've not subscribed, please hit that notification button. Sorry about the moving here and there. So this is what I have. So I'll come to this, come to details, then give it details a bit, then come to structure, increase the structure and sharpen it. Yeah, I think I'll stick with it this way. So click to this particular option. I like it this way anyway, but when I come here, should I tamper with the curve? Let me see. Let me click on here because I don't want the mid-tone to be moving, just the shadows. Alright, so I'll just it's kind of a bit darker, so I'll now save. Alright, so we are done with this design. So let me show you how I got that head to be like this. I guess that's one of the reasons some of you want to check, but please hit the subscription button. Okay, so this is our design, my birthday design. Funny enough, I did quite a beautiful birthday for people, but now go to my turn. I'm just doing my head. Okay, alright, so this is Picsart. Okay, so I will make this video in Alright, so I will make this video in the next one, in another video, please. So that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Okay, I found a way to make the design image like this. So let's just continue with the tutorial. I guess you're happy now. Finally succeeded in, oh boy. So what I'll be doing is FX, come to which of the option now? I think is let's see. Okay, yeah, artistic. Alright, so I'll click on this option. Then I'll just click on this option. So I'll click on tools, click on adjust. So I'll come to hue. I'll give it a bit of hue. Try and be creative, man. So come to clarity, increase the clarity, increase the contrast. Let me see if I reduce the brightness. So now I can't remember if okay, let me reduce the brightness if I actually play with the brightness. But shadows, I didn't touch it. Okay, now okay, so saturation, let's see. So I'm very okay with this. So I can now just click on this check mark, then export. So this is how I got the head. So you can now just trace your step to the beginning of this tutorial and recreate the design by just playing with the head. Okay, sorry I've been tilting this video here and there, just because of the application. I was just switching it. So do not forget to subscribe. Sazi Graphics signing out. Please just bear with me for this particular tutorial. Bear with me.